Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do these beautiful high-end, glamorous mirror mosaic and bling candle holders. So if you want to see how I achieve these gorgeous candle holders or floral vases, then just continue to watch. So for this DIY, you're going to need several items. You're going to need 4 3x10 mirrors. You're going to need 1 3x3 mirrors. You're going to need 1 Dollar Tree 5x5 mirrors. You're going to need 1 clear towel. You're going to need Dollar Tree fish bowls, and you're going to need mirror mosaic tiles. And you are going to need your scissors, your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, your strong adhesive, and ruler. I would love for you to become a part of the Design on the Dollar family. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. Then I would love for you to like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and finally share this video and our channel so that we can continue to grow. You're going to start out by using your 3x10 mirrors, and you're going to make a box out of them. And once you make the box out of your 3x10s, you're going to attach your 3x3 to the top of your 3x10s, and then we're going to go from there. Now once you have your mirror put together and you have your 3x3 mirror at the top, you're going to take that whole setup, and you're going to glue your candle holder to your Dollar Tree 5x5 square mirror. And then after you glue it to the 5x5 mirror, you're going to take your clear towel and you're going to attach it to the top of your mirror. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old. In honor of me turning 50 in 2020, my goal for our channel is to have 100,000 subscribers. Please share our videos and channel with your friends and other family members to help us reach this goal. We can do all things through Christ. Let's make 2020 our year.
Let's see, fam. The 4x4 mirror, I think it's a 5x5 mirror, as well as the clear towel is not directly square. I have it set as offset in a diamond pattern to give it more dimension. So you can put yours on a square and not a triangle pattern. Also, I forgot to mention that you're going to need a it's a candle holder itself, and I got it from a store called Roses, and I'm using that as another dimension to the candle holder, where you can actually just use the candle holder without putting the fish bowl on top of it. So this gives it, here is the piece I'm talking about right here that I'm getting ready to attach to the top of the candle holder. And this just give it some more dimension and some more multi-purpose to use the candle holder. So you get a lot of usage and a lot of different styles from this one candle holder.
Take this opportunity to hit the like button and then click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from us. And guys, I would truly love for you to join the Design on the Dollars family. Just hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again.